Hey there, fellow growth enthusiasts. Welcome back to GEM, where we transform good intentions into extraordinary results. Today, we're diving into something that might sound small, but packs a massive punch: tiny habits. You know that feeling when you set a huge goal, like, I'm going to work out for an hour every day, only to find yourself back on the couch 3 days later? Well, what if I told you that the secret to lasting change isn't in those grand declarations, but in actions so small they almost seem ridiculous? Picture this. Instead of saying, I'll do 50 push-ups daily, you start with, I'll do one push-up after I brush my teeth. One single push-up. Sounds too easy, right? That's exactly the point. See, our brains are wired to resist big changes. It's like trying to push a boulder uphill, exhausting and unsustainable. But tiny habits, they're like rolling a small pebble downhill. Once it starts moving, momentum takes over. Here's the magic formula for creating tiny habits. First, identify your anchor moment, something you already do every day like brushing your teeth or making coffee. Second, attach your new tiny behavior to that anchor. Make it ridiculously small. Want to start meditating? Begin with 3 conscious breaths while your coffee brews. Third, and this is crucial, celebrate immediately. Do a little victory dance, smile, or simply think, awesome. This creates a positive emotion that helps wire the habit into your brain. Let me share a secret. These tiny habits aren't meant to stay tiny forever. They're like seeds that naturally grow larger. That one push-up might become 5, then 10, then a full workout routine. But here's the key. You never have to do more than the minimum. That's your safety net on tough days. Real quick, let me bust a myth. Go big or go home is actually terrible advice for habit formation. When you go tiny, you hack your brain's resistance to change. You slip under the radar of your excuses. I'm too tired doesn't work when all you have to do is one push-up. Here's your challenge for this week. Pick one tiny habit. Make it so small it seems almost laughable. Want to write a book? Start with 1 sentence per day. Want to get organized? Begin by putting one item away after dinner. Remember, success is not about intensity, it's about consistency. And nothing beats tiny habits for building consistency. If you found value in this video, help spread the power of tiny habits by hitting that like button and sharing it with someone who's struggling with big changes. Don't forget to subscribe to GEM for more science-backed strategies to level up your life. And hey, drop a comment below with the tiny habit you're going to start today. Let's build this supportive community together. Until next time, remember, think big, start tiny, but most importantly, start now.